Good evening. It's Wednesday, February 3, 2021 here in Cebu City. I'm Cherry Ann Lim and this is SunStar Tonight. More schools in Cebu City will be reactivated as barangay isolation centers to cater to more COVID-19 patients. The city logged 142 new COVID cases yesterday, taking the total number of active cases to 1,613. Shari Coronel reports.
The Cebu City Emergency Operations Center, or EOC, is eyeing 8 more schools to be opened as barangay isolation centers in preparation in case more individuals will test positive for the coronavirus disease. City Councilor Joel Garganera, the Deputy Chief Implementer of EOC, said with the city's local school board and Department of Education Cebu City Division, they have identified schools in Barangays Pardo, City Central, and Guadalupe to be opened within the week. EOC opened elementary schools in barangays Zapatera, Mabolo, and Labangon last January. Garganera said the reopening of BICs is also to prevent patients to be in home quarantine. DepEd is awaiting for the final list of barangays, which will be utilized again as BICs. 30 rooms from each school will be used to accommodate COVID-19 patients. EOC noted Cebu City had an active 52 BICs when there was a surge of cases last year. The BICs were gradually closed after the cases in the city decreased in August. In October, BICs were no longer used when EOC started to isolate all new COVID-19 patients to NOAA Complex. Despite the increasing number of cases, Garganera said the occupancy rate in 15 healthcare facilities in the city is still at 32% out of the 907 total beds dedicated for COVID-19 patients. Cebu City logged 142 new cases yesterday, bringing the total active cases to 1,613. Meanwhile, 78 out of 130 COVID beds in the Bayanihan Cebu IEC Center in Barangay Mabolo is already occupied as of February 2. This is only a month after it logged no admission in January. IEC Center is currently in need of donations of 1 liter of bottled water. Cash donations are also welcomed. For those who wish to donate, they may contact 0956 0096 606 or 0955-622-3051 or message at donate@bayanihancebu.com. The IEC Field Center, including the another field center at the old campus of the Sacred Heart School Ateneo de Cebu along General Maximum Avenue, are quarantine facilities designed to accommodate mild and moderate COVID-19 patients and to decongest hospitals from cases that do not require immediate admission. These are run and overseen by the Department of Health Central Visayas. DOH Central Visayas spokesperson Dr. Mary Jean Loreche said the young adults aged 19 to 35 still comprises the highest numbers of affected individuals, followed by middle-aged adults 36 to 55 and older adults aged 56 and above. However, she said they have seen a rise in the numbers of the pediatric age group comparing data from 2020 to January 2021. Chari Coronel, SunStar Tonight.
Cebu City Mayor Edgardo Labella has prohibited the conduct of any physical activities in celebration of the Chinese New Year this February 12. This is to prevent mass gathering amid the spike in COVID-19 cases in the city. Kenneth Torres reports.
Physical activities for the Chinese New Year celebration will not be allowed in Cebu City. Mayor Edgardo Labella has asked the Filipino-Chinese community in the city to forgo the conduct of physical activities this coming February 12. However, celebration within the household will be allowed. Labella said this is to prevent any mass gathering now that the city is experiencing a spike of COVID-19 cases. Cebu City is still under modified general community quarantine for the entire February. The city logged 142 new cases yesterday, bringing the total active cases to 1,613. Kenneth Torres, SunStar Tonight.
Isolation hotels are now being developed in Cebu to cater to the asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. Shari Coronel reports.
The Hotel, Resort and Restaurant Association in Cebu said isolation hotels are now being developed for asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. HRRAC President Alfred Reyes said that initially there are 3 hotels in Cebu transitioning to become isolation hotels. Reyes said this would complement the current inventory of quarantine hotels servicing returning overseas Filipinos and seafarers. As of February 2, there are 25 transiting and quarantine hotels for returning Filipinos and balikbayans with a total bed capacity of 1,192. 10 of the hotels are located in Cebu City, while 15 are in Lapu-Lapu City. The Cebu City-based quarantine hotels allocated 706 beds, while 486 beds in Lapu-Lapu City. The Department of Tourism has allowed hotels and resorts to operate under general community quarantine and modified GCQ by choosing if they want to be a quarantine or staycation hotel and resort. Chari Coronel, SunStar Tonight.
The Cebu City government has declared a citywide period of mourning for former Senator Sonny Osmeña. The former senator and Toledo City Mayor passed away yesterday at the age of 86. Kenneth Torres reports.
Cebu City Mayor Edgardo Labella has declared a citywide period of mourning from February 3 until February 5 for former Senator and Toledo City Mayor John Henry Sonny Osmeña. Under Executive Order Number 119, which Labella signed today, all government agencies, offices, and installations within Cebu City are directed to lower down their Philippine flags to half-mast throughout the period. Labella said this is to honor the contributions of the former senator to Cebu City and to the whole country throughout his political career. Osmeña passed away yesterday at the age of 86. What caused his death is not yet known. The former Toledo City Mayor beat COVID-19 last year. On November 3, 2020, he called a press conference to debunk rumors that he had died. He revealed that he had been diagnosed with stage 2 cancer in July 2019 and had undergone chemotherapy sessions. Osmeña was the brother of former Cebu Governor Emilio Osmeña and cousin of former Cebu City Mayor Tomas Osmeña. His political career started in 1963 when he was elected Cebu City Councilor. He became Cebu City Vice Mayor in 1968 and was elected to the House of Representatives in 1969. He was elected to the Senate in 1971. In 1986, he was appointed officer-in-charge mayor of Cebu City and was again elected senator in 1987, then in 1992. He became the representative of Cebu's 3rd District in 1995 and again won a Senate seat in 1998. He served as Toledo City Mayor from 2013 to 2019. Kenneth Torres, SunStar Tonight.
To get the latest, visit www.sunstar.com.ph. Follow us on our YouTube channel and official social media accounts on Twitter and Facebook. I'm Sherry Ann Lim, and this has been SunStar Tonight. See you again tomorrow. Good night.